Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Let's quickly look at the Nifty analysis. This is the Nifty futures chart of 15 minutes. So as you remember, one of my previous videos or most of the videos I have been doing analysis of Nifty. I have been just saying that we are just comparing this price action. If you again compare this price action with this price action here, it clearly shows that the pattern which is being formed here, it is kind of a low. I mean, it's kind of a basing pattern which is being formed, and after we breaking this high, we have just resumed the uptrend in a good momentum. The speed of momentum to the upside has just increased. So as you see, we keep on breaking the highs, previous day highs. So just I want to give a explanation of this beautiful thing. Suppose there are people sitting out here, they sold from here, right? Put all the stop losses above the day high. Now, what will happen? The smart money will push the price up, and all these stop losses will be triggered, right? They have been eaten up. Now, what will happen? From here again, we have got a down leg. Stop losses are here. It opens here, and everybody is feared again. Stop losses got triggered. When stop losses are triggered for sell, those are the pending buy orders. This push up. Here again, stop losses were here. It opened slightly above it, captured everybody's stop losses. Everybody was in pain, and they just provided the liquidity. Here again, as you see, stop losses were here. Price pushed up. Everybody is now in pain, just adding to the order flow to the upside. If somebody has shorted here, putting a stop losses here, then again, today's gap up opening, everybody will be crying here. So they would have just cut their losses short and just started covering their short position. Covering of short positions means buying positions. So this is just fueling the rally to the upside. Just I wanted to give the premises what exactly keeps on going in the market. So as you can see, as long as we have a good momentum to the upside, there's no point just shorting the market. So as you can see, once we have got the momentum higher, then the strategy of pullback, pullback just below 50% of the swing, it won't be getting, activated. Pardon my language. I mean, my voice, I actually wasn't feeling well. That's why I haven't uploaded a couple of videos these days. Yeah, apologies for that. So as you can see, the swing pullbacks are getting slower and slower. They're getting shallower. So as the momentum to the upside is getting higher, your pullbacks will be getting smaller. Your pullbacks will be getting smaller, meaning which we won't be getting the retracement exactly to 50% or more than that. In that case, we can follow simple logic. You need to just wait for one pullback to be formed. This is a small pullback. Buy above this, stop loss here. Buy above this, stop loss here. Simple as that. No fancy indicators, no great deal of logic, no option theta gamma, nothing like that. Simple as that. You open a time frame of your relevance. Whenever there is a price action which is in good momentum, how can you identify a good momentum? Good momentum will be obvious to your eyes. You see, this swing and a deep pullback, this swing and a deep pullback, this swing, deep pullback, this swing, considerably less pullback. Now you see the pullbacks are very, very slow or shallow. So that means the momentum is getting increased to the upside. So there you will be applying the breakout, just simple breakout. Just identify a pullback or a pivot, whatever you call. Buy above this, place the stop loss just below this. As here, buy above this, stop loss just below this. And as it keeps on making these kind of pivots, you just need to trail your stop. Simple as that. Until the momentum is getting, fizzled, or it is just turning back, then you will be hit out on a trailing stop loss. So this is simple logic. Okay, let's look at these stocks. First one is Delta Corp. As okay, these are all the drawings, guys, which I might have drawn in the previous session. Previous video. So yeah, it is buy was given around 218, and 218 was not breached, but as we can see, there is a rounding bottom being formed. You see, and price is now getting at the right hand side of this rounding pattern. So you can follow two steps as I have already shown. Either you can buy here, keep the stop loss here, right? And the another approach which I follow in the initial stages is like this. You just plot a Fibonacci retracement by somewhere around 222, which is 61.8 retracement, and once this 127 extension around 225.35 is reached, you keep on booking the profits here or just keep trailing, because the bigger profit level will be somewhere around 230.5. If you remove this, it's old, so your buy will be somewhere around 222, stop loss will be 220.7, and initial target will be, you can either book one third or half around 225, and rest will be booked around 230.5. So this is a very nice opportunity which is being presented on Delta Corp. Next one is Indian Hotels. Okay, this is something which I gave in the previous video. By around 319, it was already activated, I guess. Yes, 390.75. And as you can see, stop loss was very, very small here. And the ultimate target was 333.65, which is achieved today. So this was very, very good trade. If somebody could have materialized this, he would have got very good returns on this one. 6 to 7 hour trade. But as you can see, the momentum on this stock is getting heavier. You see, it is moving to the upside in a good momentum. So you can apply simple strategy. You are getting a pullback, buy above this, place a stop loss here. As this keeps on running, you just need to do one thing. Trade stop loss behind every pivot low. Forget everything. Whenever the trend is getting diminished, then only you will be getting out of the trade. Another one is Exide. Okay, Exide. This swing low and high is still intact. So whenever it comes around 164.5, you buy it. Keep the stop loss around 162.7, and the target will be around 168 or 169. Simple as that. Since this is hovering around this low and high, it is making a complex correction. So when this complex correction is completed, it will be giving a good breakout to the upside. This is it for Exide. Next one is Trend. Okay, I think Trend has made all-time high today, and in this also you can apply same logic. Buy above 1444, around 1544. Keep the stop loss around 1515. Since the momentum is all right, it gave around 5% move today. Good mover. So once it gives the buy here, just keep trailing the stop loss. Forget everything. Here. So as long as the trend and the momentum is intact, you will be in the trade. Right. So these are the stocks which you need to keep on the watch list, and you can trade accordingly as discussed today. Alright guys, so if you like the content, please do subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and please hit that bell icon so that you can be get notification of every video which is being posted. And if you have any comments, suggestions or any feedback, please do post in the comment section and I will be replying it back. Till then, thank you very much.